Hello friends, welcome to NRL 40 Australia. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the round 9 team of the week. Dylan Edwards kept up his push for a Blues jumper with 200 run meters, 2 line breaks and a try assist in the Panthers' big win over South Sydney Rabbitohs. Jermaine Isako scored 3 of his team's 5 tries, kicked goals from all angles and was safe when put under pressure in defense as the Dolphins upset the Cowboys. Sebastian Kris ran for nearly 200 meters, more than any player on the park, a rare feat in the modern era, a key figure in the Raiders' comeback from 20-0 for a remarkable victory. Bradman Best made the most hard yards of any night in horrible conditions and came up with some massive effort plays in the gusty upset win over the New Zealand Warriors. Dom Young proving one of the buys of the year, scoring a try and creating another in his team's big win in Brisbane. Cody Nikorima produced arguably the best performance of his career with 4 try assists as his team upset the Cowboys in Townsville and he is off contract. Jackson Hastings in a tight game against the Warriors, a couple of touches of class from the talented halfback proved the difference, reveling at his second chance after being dropped earlier in the season. Terrell May has become one of the most damaging forwards in the league in 2024 with 2 barnstorming second half tries, a key factor in the rout of the Broncos. Reed Mahoney topped his team's tackle count, got under the Tigers' skin with his clever niggling tactics and laid on a try to prove the difference in a hard-fought win for the Doggies. Josh Curran scored a vital try, ran for 113 meters and made 27 tackles in a non-stop display in the comeback win over the Tigers. Luke Garner scored 2 tries as the Panthers put the Bunnies to the sword and was always a menace to the defense with his wide running. Elliot Whitehead, a superb captain's knock, scoring 2 tries and creating another in the Raiders' short fight back win at Manly, one of the best English imports seen in Oz for many years. Connor Watson filling in for Victor Radley. He is the smallest lock in the league but also one of the bravest. Took on the giant Broncos pack, scored a fine try and added loads of enthusiasm and energy to the Sydney Roosters. Will be out of a job when Radley returns but should look for a new club because he is quality. Thanks for watching and subscribe.